Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find the solution about Google Meet app, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet and we click in this window. Here in this page of app unfold we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.